Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Smiley Videography. If you are here for first time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Watch this video until the end and give it a thumbs up. Today I'm very happy to unpack with you the Zhyiun Crane M2S. Before we open this box, make sure you install the application to activate the gimbal later on. Now without further ado, let's unpack. Here we find, I believe, the manual, service card for Zhyiun, email address, telephone, website, and this is the manual. Now we will find inside this box 6 pieces in total. We have the Crane M2S stabilizer. This is the gimbal. It's not heavy. Then we will have the tripod, M2 tripod. And here we will find the filters. These are the light filters. It comes with 4 light filters. You have blue, orange, red, and yellow. And 3 USB cables. Now this is USB-C USB cable. Then we have a USB-C camera charging cable with microUSB. And we have USB-C, USB-C for camera charging cable or for GoPro phone. So 3 cables. Now this is the camera holder. It should come here. You need to unlock up, then push it inside. Then you need to mount this and then it's locked. This is how you put it here. And this screw is for holding the camera. It's easier if you screw it before. And then unlock, push, and we fix it. This gimbal, I'm gonna use it mainly for my GoPro 9 because this is the only professional gimbal stabilizer that is supporting this GoPro 9 and so on. These are all the pieces. Let's try the tripod. Now the whole weight for this gimbal is 549 grams. It's not very heavy and it's very, very nice in hand. To mount the GoPro 9 or 10, you will need this tripod adapter. This will allow you to attach the GoPro camera or sports camera with a gimbal plate here. Let's go ahead and mount it. Start the screw. There we go. Now I will unlock the plate. I will push it back and click. It will give me this mount plate. I'm going to screw the GoPro into the plate. Make sure the camera of the GoPro is facing the lightning of the gimbal. Now I will click, fix, and there we go. So now to balance the gimbal, we have quite few locks that we will work with. Here, just to show you, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will start by unlocking the horizontal, this one over here. We will unlock this one over here. There we go. And we will unlock this one and then we'll unlock it this way. So we unlocked this one and this one. Now we will balance the GoPro horizontally. Okay. You see, we need the camera to be on the same level with the surface. There we go. There we have it. There we go. Then we lock it. The second, we're gonna unlock this one over here. This is the roll axis pen. We will have to open this one now. We will need to balance this horizontally with the ground level. Right now it's following from here. That means we will push it to the left. Okay. Okay. Now the last, or before the last, we will now balance the camera. Let's unlock it from here. Very good. To know that you have a perfect balance, you must put the camera in any position and then it will be fixed. Now I have still a problem with this, I believe. There we go. See, whatever position I put it at, it stays fixed. Except this one still a little bit. There we go. Now we successfully balance the camera. The last thing to do is to balance the pen axis for the hole, which is this one over here. You need to open this last lock here and then push it left or right. I'm gonna push it. There we go. Our camera is perfectly balanced. So now let's open it. So to open it, we need to click over here and then hold it up for 2 seconds. There you go. So this is the PF mode. This is pan and follow. Pan and follow mode. This is pan and follow. Then if we click one more time on M, we have the lock mode. This is the lock mode. And we have the follow mode. Now with double click, we go to the POV, which you can tilt. And again, double click, we go to Vortex. Now Vortex will allow you to make rotation recording. This is the Vortex. Or you can tilt it the other way around. There you go. Oops. The camera went on sleep. Now, yeah, you gotta be careful when you are switching between the Vortex mode and the normal mode, as the gimbal may get stuck. If this will happen, the camera will go on a sleep mode automatically. Now I just open the camera. It's down, up, left and right. If you already installed the application, the ZY application, Zhyiun, you can connect the gimbal with your phone. It's connected, enter now, and you can control the gimbal through your phone. You can also tilt. Now you can calibrate in case the gimbal is not stable or is not horizontally on the same level as the ground, so you can calibrate it. So this is basically what you can do in the app. One last thing, you can triple click from the back. Camera will go into self shooting for blogging mainly, and 3-click back, it will go back the same. Also, if you tilt the camera, rotate it, you want it back quickly to a direct recording scene in front of you, then double click at the back, it will be back shooting straight forward. One last amazing feature that this gimbal has is the lighting. Let me turn it to me. The lighting is an awesome feature if you are shooting at the dark or at night. You just need to hold the lighting button up. It has 5 modes: second, third, fourth, and fifth. It's a very strong lighting, as you can see, and the filters or the lighting filters that we had here are mainly for this light. So let's open and see how it looks like. Here we have these 4 colors. So if you want red, you can simply add red. It has small magnets on the edges, so this will turn the light into red or yellow or blue. Let's put it into blue. There you go, we have a blue light. And if you want to turn it off, then simply hold it up again and then it's off. I will take and unscrew. Now, if you are worried about shooting with a GoPro and you don't want to change the batteries, so simply you can mount the lightning cable straight to the gimbal. This way you don't need to worry about changing the batteries any longer. Now I believe because we added small weight, we need to recalibrate it. Now it's calibrated. There we go. Now I will open it. So as you can see, now I'm recording and I'm charging at the same time. The battery for the Crane M2S can hold up to 10 hours. However, when you are using the GoPro lightning cable, then it will be minimized maybe to 5, 6 hours, 7 hours. It depends how you're gonna use the battery inside the gimbal. There we go. this was Zhyiun Crane M2s. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave them in a comment below and I will try to answer them. Thank you for watching, and until the next video, enjoy your day.